Hi, welcome to the Richard Gabili YouTube channel, and for today's tutorial, I will be teaching you on how to enable disable zoom in number in basic gestures voice control on iPhone X. But first, kindly subscribe to this channel and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for the new updates. And let's start. Use your iPhone X from your home screen. First, go to Settings. Then in the settings, scroll down and find the accessibility and then tap. Then in the accessibility, scroll down again and go to physical and motor section and then tap the voice control. Then in this part in the voice control, go to this section and then tap the customize commands. Then in the customize commands, find and tap the basic gestures. Then after that in the basic gestures, scroll down and then tap the zoom in number. Then in the zoom in numbers, you can see that it is already enabled. But you have to activate also the switch button under the confirmation required to fully enable the zoom in number in your basic gestures until it becomes green. And if you want to disable or turn off, just tap again the switch button just like this. And that's it, we have successfully disabled zoom in number in basic gestures to voice control on iPhone X. If you have a question, you can comment down below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for the new updates. And thank you for watching!